Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing my first makeup tutorial / voiceover. And these are just a few pictures of the ending result. If you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. So first, I'm going to be starting with a facial moisturizer from Pond's. I absolutely love this. I use it in the morning and right before I go to bed. It's really great for my face because I have a lot of dry spots. Okay, so next I'm going to be using a Cover Fix blurring primer and a Sephora concealer brush. Feels so soft and smooth on my skin. I only have the sample for this primer, but since I love it, I'm definitely gonna go buy it. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using this foundation by Fenty Beauty. Once you put it on your face, you just feel that it's very light and you don't need that much to give you a nice full coverage. So every time I do my foundation on my face, I always apply some on my neck too, because you don't want to have two different shades going on. So it's always good to blend your face with your neck. So next I'm going to be putting a Maybelline Age Rewind concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. And sometimes I always like to put some on my eyelid too. And here I'm just going to be blending it out. And I also wanted to mention, if you wanted to check out all the products I use in this video, make sure to check my description. So I don't know how to pronounce the name of this product, so don't judge me, but I'm going to be using the contour cream in that middle shade. And I'm just going to apply it on my forehead. I do that face just because it really helps me try to find where that line is. I'm gonna put some on my chin and also on my jawline. So here I'm going to do 2 straight lines on the side of my nose. And I kind of like to have my nose to look a little smaller, so this is what really helps give you that look. And here I'm just blending out everything, which is really important because you don't want to have any dark spots. You want everything to blend in very naturally and not to have any harsh lines on your face. So here I'm going to use my favorite setting powder from Laura Mercier in Translucent. And I'm just going to put some under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, and the bridge of my nose, and under my cheeks. So next I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Dark Brown. Here I'm just kind of showing you guys how I line my eyebrows, but if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below. Next, I'm just gonna take that same powder brush and remove all the excess powder from my face. So I'm just gonna use this correcting concealer in that shade. I literally use this all the time on my lid. So I absolutely love this palette from It Girl. It has everything that I'm about to use with the blush, the eyeshadow. So first I'm gonna take this eye powder foundation and just put it on the lid of my eye. So I'm gonna put tape on the side of my eyes just to give me a more cleaner look. And I'm gonna use that pinkish color, and the name is Loyal. And basically I'm just putting it all over my lid. Next I'm gonna use this color Kindness. It's more like of a pinkish, a glitter pinkish, a pink that has glitter. I don't know, a pink that has shimmer on it. And I'm just gonna put it on the beginning of my lid. Next I'm gonna go in with the color Treasure. It's kind of like a brownish, not really, a brownish goldish color. I really like this, and I'm gonna put it on the crease of my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker brown called Generous and just blend it in with that other color Treasure. Next, I'm gonna take that color Kindness again, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more on there because I don't think I put enough. And then I just took that same color Loyal and just put it in the middle of my lid again. Next, I'm going to use that purple color called Glory. It's like a light purple. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put it on the end of my lid near my crease line. And then I'm gonna go in with this color called Big Heart. It's kind of like a burgundy color that has some shimmer to it. Next, I'm just gonna take the tape off, but then I'm gonna put it right back on because I kind of messed up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in with that correcting concealer again and just fix any harsh lines that I have. So with that same correcting concealer, I'm just gonna highlight my eyebrows from on the bottom and on the top. I'm just gonna take a smaller beauty blender and just blend. So I'm just gonna take this liquid liner from e.l.f. in the color Jet Black. And I'm just gonna do a little wing on the end of my eyelid. I'm gonna take that concealer and just sharpen up the lines. Next, I'm just gonna take this eyelash curler from e.l.f. and then I'm gonna use this mascara from Wet n Wild. So I love putting mascara before I put on my lashes, and these lashes right here, I absolutely love them. As soon as I saw them, I had to grab them. And here I'm just placing them where my eyeliner is with my eyebrow plucker. Here I'm putting the Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite mascara. And here I'm just gonna go in with this really brown color called Soul and just put it underneath my lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder bronzer from Anastasia in the color Rosewood. And I'm just gonna put it on basically under my cheeks. Bronzer is actually my favorite part when I'm doing makeup. It just gives you that nice bronzy look. I'm gonna go in with another bronzer called Cargo, and I love this one too. It has more of a shimmer to it, but I'm gonna put it on where my cheeks are and a little bit on my forehead too. So next I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Fire Crystal. So I already put some on my nose. I'm just gonna put some on the top of my cheeks, on my chin, and on my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna go in with that blush called Naturally Pretty. And I love putting blush everywhere, just like bronzer, on my forehead, on my cheeks, sometimes on my chin. So next I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Liar. And I'm just gonna overline my lips just a little bit on the top and the bottom. I'm gonna line my whole entire lips with that lip liner just to get a fuller lip look. And then I'm gonna go in with Anastasia matte lipstick in the color Staunch. So I stepped away to put some setting spray from e.l.f. If you guys know any really good setting sprays, comment down below which one is the best one that you use, because I definitely want to get a new one. I wanted to mention that I'm open to do any new video ideas, whether it's another makeup tutorial, Q&A, or really anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited about starting this channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.